Hey folks, so this is a quick comparison of, or not a comparison, whatever. These are the locks I was picking recently. Here's Easy Does It number one with the Crazy Core, which was actually the last one I picked. Here is the purely stock lock. That hasn't have anything particularly fancy done with it. Here is the stock lock. See the key for it with the spools. You can see the spools there, and here is Easy Does It number two, which has some fancy pins, but an unmodified core. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick rundown of that. Probably should have done that yesterday when I needed to upload something. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.